My name is William Zickler. I'm a vascular surgeon here at Northeast Georgia Physicians Group. Many patients are in need of dialysis access, so I perform dialysis access as well as dialysis maintenance, peripheral arterial disease, when people have cramping in their legs when they walk, as well as care for carotid disease, performing carotid endarterectomy, as well as TCAR, which is a newer technique. And then DVT, patients who have blood clots in their legs. There's various procedures that can be performed to assist with pain and daily life. I've wanted to be a surgeon ever since I was a little kid. I remember being 5 years old, and it's what I wanted to do. My father's also a vascular surgeon, which definitely influenced my career in some way. I chose vascular surgery because there's so much innovation in the field. People used to need major open operations to get back to their great quality of life. Now there's so many percutaneous techniques where patients can have a procedure done and go home the same day or the next day. When patients come to the office, I want them to feel comfortable. It's very vulnerable for patients to disclose why they're there. So I think it's very important to be open and make people feel at home and comfortable. When I'm not here at work, I like spending as much time as I can outside with my family. We have a son. Keeping him active is important, and it's just great spending time with my wife and family.